Today, let's dive into a topic that comes up a lot when forming a business. What is a registered agent? If you're considering starting a business, you've probably heard about needing a registered agent. And maybe you're wondering, why do I have to pay for this? What exactly is it? A registered agent is an official person or service that receives important legal documents on behalf of your business. This can include mail from the Secretary of State or legal documents if your business gets sued. Their whole job is to ensure you get these documents reliably and on time. You might think you can handle this yourself by using your home address, but let's be real. As a busy business owner, you're not always home. Missing important mail like lawsuit papers or state filings can lead to serious consequences. Your business could be dissolved, you might face extra fees, or even worse, you could end up with a default judgment against you because you missed a lawsuit notice. Another common issue is moving. If you're using your home address and you move, your business might not get important mail. A registered agent service helps avoid these problems by providing a consistent address. So why not let a professional handle this? That's exactly what legalregistration.com can help with. We offer reliable registered agent services to ensure you never miss important documents. If this video helped clear things up, hit that like button. And if you want more tips and insights about running your business, be sure to subscribe to our channel. This video is brought to you by legalregistration.com, your #1 online incorporation service provider. For all your business needs, visit legalregistration.com or call us at 877-955-7111. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Thanks for watching.